2015 Chevy Silverado 5.3 liter V8. What we got done on this beautiful truck, got factory converter there, and right there. Then it goes, then there's an flex pipe right after, 2.5 inch pipe. And what we did is put a CARVEN system on it, CARVEN TR Performance, part number CVETR 25. There'll be a link in the description. 2.25 in. And then we added a Y pipe to it and ran 2.25 tailpipes out the back on each side, there and there, into 4-inch roll tips, there and there, as you guys can see. And there's the stock muffler that was on it, stock resonator, and stock tailpipe. We cut all that off and ran duals right there. Like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. All right, guys, we got a 2014 Chevy Silverado Z71 5.3 liter V8. Really beautiful truck. We did a full custom system on it. I'm gonna let you guys see. We put 2 high flow MagnaFlows there and there, and then we crossed it over, aftermarket Y pipe, high flow third cat, then 3-inch pipe all the way back into a FLOWMASTER Super 10, then 2.25 tailpipes out the back on each side, there and there. Part number on the FLOWMASTER is 8425152. And then 4-inch angle cut tips. There'll be a link in the description for all this stuff. So that's how you do a full custom system on this, guys. As you guys can see. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Much nicer. I put on it the CARVEN TRs. It's a really quality muffler. It's stainless steel. Give it gas. That sounds nice. Oh, that's perfect. Again. There's sound decibels. Again. That's perfect. Right at 94, so it'll reach probably about 100. Yeah. What do you guys think? Chevy Silverado 5.3. There we go, it's hitting 100 now. It's deep. I like it. Yeah. You gotta get compliments everywhere you go, man. I gotta give you a sticker and a shirt. Again? Did I give you a shirt last time? See you around, bro. Let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Silverado 2015 duals with CARVEN TR. French roll tips. Too much traffic.